Ajoke. I'm a public health professional.
My name is Ajoke Ubioworo. I'm a business development manager. She's a fine girl. Beautiful. I think when I first met her, I liked the way she carried herself. I liked the way she was good with people. We met in church, actually, in the church. So I liked the way she carried herself. I think I'll end it there. Do you have what?
He was up and doing. We met in church, actually. He was the choir leader, and he was quite busy ensuring everyone comes to choir practice. And because of the passion and everything, I drew closer to him. And I thought, well, this is the man I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Who hasn't? Yes.
No. Nothing serious. It's just that everybody needs to know their place. Stay in your lane.
Once it shows up, but then you just chest it and know that she's amazing.
We had everything figured out like before marriage. We had everything planned out, but life happened and we knew our challenges. We knew the things we enjoyed, we prepared for, and we faced our challenges, things that we didn't even plan that.
Yeah.
We didn't even plan for some changes. And we launched out and embraced the opportunity we had. And since then, God has been faithful, all true, yeah.
Oh, very, 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 very important.
Very.
I think even the good book says that can two work together except they agree. So if there is no agreement, that means the ship is going to capsize very, very soon.
Sure.
You have to trust your pilot. You have to trust him or her who is flying the plane to ensure that, and trust that he or she is going to get you where you need to go, where you are heading to. So it's very, very important. And they also have to trust the followers as well. My wife and I, we have this kind of relationship where I'm the head of the home, but then to a large extent, I also allow her lead in certain aspects. There are some aspects I trust her leadership, and same way. So it's not like the man does everything or knows everything, or the woman knows everything. Everyone has where they're good at, and then you allow that person lead in that aspect. So trust is very, very, very important. I think it's because we trust ourselves. That's why we've lasted this long. And we're hoping that it's going to be for eternity. Yeah.
Sure, yes, you should.
Because if you don't have a budget, then you would just find out that at the end of the day, what you want to achieve, you're not even able to achieve it because so many things will crop up. And we have lovely kids who have desires and expectations of us as well.
Yeah.
And then we also have expectations for them as well. So what happens is that we know what comes into the home on a monthly basis, and then we know what we need to save out of it. We also know what we need to take out for those expenses. And also budget for those unexpected expenses as well when they come, so that you don't hear stories. If you don't have a budget, if you don't have a plan, then you will surely struggle.
There are options. There are many options. If it is an event or traveling for a holiday and we cannot meet up with the budget, we try to look for something else that is within and make it memorable.
I think for financial difficulties, like you mentioned, what we do is that, like for me, when I get my salary, I know for my wife as well, first off, we take off savings. We have various savings products that we put aside for ourselves. So the purpose of some of those savings is for events like that, because they will surely happen. Do we? We do.
Yeah, we do.
We have one for the kids. Each of the kids have
kids.
their savings product that gets deducted from my salary.
Mm-hmm.
We have for our parents, if anything happens to them, then there's money that's paid that takes care of it, and they also have for ourselves. Life insurance, people think of only the inevitable, but it's also a way to pass wealth from generation to generation. One of the savings products we're doing is for like the savings plan for each of our kids that every month. So what we're looking at is by the time they turn to a certain age, 18, there's a certain amount that will bequeath to them and for them to start their life. So I don't know how much that's going to be in a couple of years when they turn 18, or whether inflation would have made it go down a bit. But then those are options that are available for us to give them something and say, okay, you come to this certain age. So it's a way of bequeathing wealth to your kids. Also, you have life insurance that also involves sicknesses, terminal illnesses, or treatments, or thereabout. So those are options available for you. So, in fact, if you want
Health
to hedge
yeah.
against certain events in life that will come and take up your capital, then take life insurance.
What's going on here?
My wife. Okay, actually, we together, Joe. Together, we like going out. I love going out.
But the kids, yeah,
the kids.
I think about the kids more. Both of us, but because of the kids, I volunteer to stay behind.
Who is the better driver?
Me.
Come on, I taught you how to drive.
If there is anything like,
I taught you how to drive.
Come
I've
on.
been driving for 20 plus
I would love
years.
to say this. If there's
This
anything
woman
like
has never
federal
trusted me.
government, make something like first class driver's license. For people like me.
Sorry for the gods, Lalayo.
First class driver's license.
Okay, she knows she's the better driver for this interview only.
Who can do without their phones?
Him.
Who can do without their phones?
Him.
Who can't do without
Him.
their phones?
Him.
Come,
His
it's my
side
profession.
his
I'm a
phone.
business development person. Any call can ring,
His
business
phone.
can come. So
Is a side
I
chick.
can't do without it. But I love you more, Sha.
Who sleeps more?
Joe. Come on. Why is everything here?
Who is more boring?
I think I think
None of us.
none of us. I want to eat when I go home.